Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Edifier R1700BT speakers, bookshelf speakers with the remote control, and you need to reset the Bluetooth on them. And you're going to want to reset this Bluetooth most likely if you're having issues with it, them not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they're not syncing or pairing with the device or the phone that you want, or they're connecting to something else, they're stuck connecting to something. Or if they're connected but they're not working, you can just reset the Bluetooth connections, clear the pairing history, and then repair them as a new paired connection by just doing this, by clearing the pairing records. So it's really easy to do. You basically can do it on the remote control by just pressing and holding the Bluetooth button on the remote control for 2 seconds, or we can also do it straight from the speaker. If we just come in this volume dial, we can also press it, and if we press and hold it for more than 2 seconds, it will also reset the Bluetooth, and at which point we can just repair these speakers like we're pairing a new set of speakers.